Hello friends, today's topic is light emitting diode. This is the general diagram available in the market of LED. Different color LEDs are available in the market. A PN junction diode which emit light in forward biased is known as light emitting diode. The amount of light output is directly proportional to the forward current. Hence, higher the forward current, higher is the light output. A light emitting diode LED is a semiconductor light source. The electronic symbol are here with the PN junction. This is the general symbol. The directions given here is showing the outside of the light emitting. The emitted light may be visible or invisible. The word is invisible means it is not giving the light. It is not emitting the light, but it is giving the signal. It is used in the remote control of your TV sets, ACs, etc. The light emitting diode convert current to light. The LED consists of a semiconductor material doped with impurities to create a PN junction. This is the general diagram available here. There is a Fermi level, band gap, valence bond, right? Conduction band. So it is giving the light, it is shown by the arrow. A thin p-type layer is grown on the N layer. The metal connection to both the layers make anode and cathode terminal indicated. The electron and holes moves toward the junction and the recombination takes place. The difference of energy between the conduction band and valence band is radiated in the form of light energy. The energy is radiated in the form of heat. How does it work? This is the general diagram available. So there is a supply points, positive and negative, with a resistance in the series. The LED is put there inside with the P and N point, and it is giving the light emission. A typical LED needs a PN junction. There are a lot of electrons and holes at junction due to excitation. Junction is biased to produce even more electron holes and to inject electrons from N to P for recombination to happen. Electrons from N need to be injected to P to promote recombinations. Recombination produces light. The material used, the semiconducting materials used in manufacturing light emitting diodes are gallium arsenide phosphide, and gallium phosphide. The silicon and germanium are not used to manufacture light emitting diodes because these are heat producing materials and these materials are very poor in emitting light radiation, because we need here the light, not the heat. So silicon and germanium are not used. These are the shapes and the sizes available in the market. The advantages: small size and lightweight, longer life as compared to lamp, low cost, available in different spectral colors, less power consumption, fast on off switching, suitable for higher operating speeds. The disadvantages are: output power is affected by changing of temperature, overcurrent can damage it very much easily. Applications are: light emitting diode is used in digital clocks, microwave oven, calculator, remote controls, etc. LEDs is used in burglar alarm system. LEDs is used in the field of optical communication. LEDs used in optical switching applications, indicators, mobile applications, traffic signals. Thank you very much. Today we will discuss the next topic next time.